All right, so this channel right here, this is one of mine, Ancient Aussie. So if we actually pull it up here, you can literally go ahead and search up Ancient Aussie and like watch some of our videos. Our weight, so as you can see, sitting at about 14K subscribers, and we last 90 days, it's done around 900K subs. And that's the thing, right? I'm not showing you this like the flex or whatever. I'm showing you this because there's a lesson in here that I feel like all of you can learn. And by the way, this USD currency. But if you start looking at the videos that we're making right here, right? If you start looking at those Black Mountain video that we made recently, right? So it's sitting at 263K views, as you can see right here. Here, this one video about Australia's Black Mountain did 821 USD. If I go ahead and open this here, not making this up, 821 USD from one particular video. Been doing pretty good, right? And that's not one of the outliers we had. We had another video that hit 130K views, as you can see right here, 200 USD from one video. And we've had multiple outliers like this. Like this one, we're talking about Devil's Marbles, 47K, and all these are going up literally in the last month. Now, I know you're only thinking, oh, look, another guy telling me he makes money on faceless YouTube. It's probably fake. It's probably a scam, right? So don't believe me. I literally just gave you the channel name. Pause this video, go watch the Black Mountain video yourself, and then come back. I'll be here. Everything I'm about to tell you, you can go verify it. That's the whole point. Okay, so what is this channel actually? Okay, it's Ancient Australia content. Okay, so Ancient Australia content, mystery documentary stuff, on footage like that. Right, so the idea is it's just voiceover and footage. So if you are to open a particular video here, let me try to open this video. We're investing in skills and training programs across the UK that help people grow, because people grow the economy, and growing the economy is our business. When daily dust gets in the way, pitch time for flash. Yeah. Effective on 100% of dust, it works like a powerful magnet to trap and lock. Get him over off of dust. Fresh dust magnet, back to clean, ain't a flash. In 1891, Joseph Bradshaw found painted figures in the Kimberley Gorge unlike anything seen before. So the videos themselves, if you look at it, it's just a voiceover and footage. And the reason it works is a few things. Okay, first of all, is the titles. Okay, so the titles, if you were to read the titles, it's like what scientists, in Australia found, like etc. etc. The mysterious men light hunting, etc. Like all these title engines are made to inspire curiosity. People can't not see these videos and just not click them, right? Because it's actually a good story. So they click it, they watch it, and that is exactly what YouTube cares about. Two is that number two reason why these videos have blown up is that it's very narrow. It's not like ancient history, which is very generic. It's very narrow. So it's like something very specific, ancient Australia. And not just that, we're also doing volume. Like we basically post every day. And here's the honest part, okay? Not every video performs, all right? So if we saw by popular here and go all the way down, you can start to see we have some videos that don't do very well right here. And that's normal. That's the 80-20 rule. You post consistently, right? And the outliners, which is seen right here, pay for everything. Okay, so here's what I do not want you to do. Do not go make an Ancient Aussie copy. Like seriously, if you go ahead, if 100 of you go over and you go make an Ancient Australia channel this week, you're going to queue the lane and none of you are actually going to win. What you want to do is you want to copy the engine, okay? You want to copy the engine, not the topic. Do not copy the topic, copy the engine. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. The title structure, the daily volume, the way you find the hungry audience, nobody's serving it, that part is what gets you views. The exact niche itself Does not if you're trying to do the copycat strategy. Right. But I'll say you do all of these things right. Let's say you absolutely, you make good titles, you start posting, you find your niche, you post every day. When you start from a brand new channel from absolute zero, when you start from a brand new channel, you're posting into nothing. YouTube doesn't even know you and YouTube doesn't trust you yet. And you're not even eligible to earn money for a while. So you could do everything right, spend months posting, and you just be spending months waiting and not earning, not even knowing if the channel, not even knowing if the problem is your content or just that the channel's brand new. And that's where most creators quit. Not because the strategy was wrong, but because they ran out of patience before the thing could even pay them. So here's what we did differently on this channel. And I want to be really straight about this because I don't want you thinking that this is magic. I didn't start this niche on a brand new account. I started on a channel that was already monetized, right? So the second my content started working, I could actually earn from it. As you can see, instead of waiting months just to be allowed to. And that's the whole thing. It does not get you views, by the way. It does not make you to push you. The content still has to be good. I still have to do the work. But what it does is take away the, am I even allowed to earn part? So I'm not flying for posting, flying blind for the first 3 months, just hoping. Now, knowing that, I'm actually pulling it off are two completely different animals, okay? Because you've got to pick a niche that isn't already saturated, right? And you have to go ahead and get the packaging right. You want to also find a good editor that can make really good videos for you. And you want to dodge the 10 mistakes that get these channels killed in the first month. That's the part that takes people forever on their own. And honestly, it's where most of the time and most of the money gets wasted. So that's the entire reason why we built headstartchannels.com. Basically, we're going to go ahead and hand you a channel that's already monetization ready. We're going to help you pick a lane, pick a niche that's actually open, and we're going to give you the workflow and the support so you're not guessing your way through it, right? Now, but let's be real here, and I mean this is not for everyone. So if you're looking for the thing where you press a button and money shows up and you never do any work, close this video right now. And I'm serious, this is not bad. This is a business, right? You've got to actually post. You've got to treat it like an asset that you're building. And if you cannot do that, please do not apply because that's just not what this program is for. And before you ask, why would I even share this? Two reasons, and both are honest. One, yeah, I make money helping people get set up. I'm not going to pretend like this is charity. But two, I just told you not to copy my exact channel, right? Go into a totally different lane, which we're going to help you set up. So me telling you how the engine works doesn't actually cost me anything. So if that's you, head over to headstartchannels.com. There's going to be, you can see some testimonials how we have here. And there's going to be an application on purpose because we actually told people that if we don't think we can genuinely help you, we'll tell you. We're not just going to take your money to hit a number. No. Fair enough. So fill it out and let's see if you're a good fit. That's it. Go to this channel and literally go watch the Black Mountain video if you don't believe me. Like and subscribe if you've got some sauce out of this, and I want to see you guys in the next video.